Hey guys, how's it going? Karol Fule over here from Undisputed Marketer, and if you're watching this video, probably doing some research on YouTube about Clickbank and free traffic from Instagram to it. So in this video we're going to have a deep look into it, and we're going to actually look at the ways how you can get free traffic from Instagram. I'm going to show you a little methods and the ways how to actually build the relationship with the customers, how to gain followers, and how to actually get engagement from Instagram. I'm going to show it to you through my laptop, but before that I want to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, give me thumbs up if you will like this video, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. So first of all, Instagram and affiliate marketing in general, it's all about building a relationship with your customer, with your viewer. So in order to do that, you gotta present yourself as an authority, as somebody who is basically giving them value before you are asking even for a sale, right? And so Instagram is a great tool to do that. And the way how to do that is basically posting on Instagram for specific hashtags and posting valuable information about either affiliate marketing directly, or you can do business and you can do whatever niche basically you are in. Give them value, give them tips, tricks, exercises, some other ways how to do whatever it is, something that is valuable to the customer, to the viewer, and is going to help them either realize something, to make that to be aware of something like information, some revelation, or some good tip that they can actually do for their particular either business or whatever niche you are in, right? And so there are two ways that I personally like the most, and that are most effective in building relationship with the customer and gaining followers on Instagram. So the first one is basically posting posts regularly on Instagram for specific hashtags. And now I'm going to show you exactly what do I mean by that, but I'm just going to give you like a recap of what I actually mean by that. So you basically post valuable content on Instagram. You make a post over there. It can be a picture with a quote, or it can be just like some graphic illustration. You can be really creative with this. And later on you're going to add into your post, into the description of your post, hashtags. And now these hashtags are going to be the hashtags that are relevant to the post, but also most importantly to the niche that you are in. And now obviously you gotta be a little bit analytical when it comes to choosing the right hashtags. If your Instagram is just a small account and you've just started with it, then posting with hashtags that are that have posts of millions and millions or thousands of hundred thousands of posts regularly, then it's not really worth it. You gotta go for the low competition hashtags that have just a few thousand maybe posts, and that's how you will get noticed on the recent posts under that particular hashtags. And guys, this method I've been incorporating into my business recently, and I've just got new and new followers on a regular basis, on a daily basis. So I highly recommend that. Now the second method is basically going into big posts, and the top posts on that particular hashtag, and getting really into be engaging into that post. That means commenting on that particular post. So by commenting, I don't mean just spamming or just putting some irrelevant post and promoting yourself, but be somebody that gives value, or that literally your comment will be seen as human beings post, comments. So do something like, oh, this is a highly valuable post, I really like it. I really I really see it as a big advantage. And listen guys, I've just started my own blog or my own content, whatever it is, very related to this particular post, and you can just check it out under my profile in my bio or whatever it is. Check out my new posts and so on and so on. So give that comment, the look of a valuable comment, that you really appreciate that post, that you give some value into that. It's all about value. Affiliate marketing and basically online business and online marketing is all about the giving value. So you can incorporate giving value into anything you will do. So comment with a value, and then just encourage people to let them know that, listen guys, I'm here also, I have a brand new content, check it out on my account. And that's it. Don't over market it, that's just free content and the best affiliate program, whatever it is. Don't do that. You can do that directly on your posts, on your account, but on these comments just be generic and get more followers. So I'm just going to head over to my laptop, and I'm going to show you quickly how it's all done on Instagram. So see you in a sec.
Hey guys, how's it going? So here we are. I'm directly on my Instagram. So it's on PC, so just it will be a little bit different than from the app. So I'm just going to choose some of the bigger hashtags. I just have like a few, like a list of the big ones. So let me just choose. Let's just do this business quote, right? That's a good hashtag. You have a 330,000 posts. This is like a quite huge, so you can just do it like this. So I'm just going to show you this one, and here you can see, here are the top posts, and here are the recent ones. So if you just check on this, this one was posted 2 minutes ago, and this one was posted 3 minutes ago. So in like a few minutes, these ones will be lost a little bit. If you go for something big one, like let's say business, let's just try business. Okay, this is 66 million posts. So let's just try this one. Okay, so this is the newest post, which was posted 8 seconds ago. So when I refresh this one will probably not be on the first place already. That's how quick this all is. Let me just hide this taskbar so you can see all properly. You see, we cannot even find it. Okay, it's here. So it moved in just the refresh seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into eight positions, right? So this is very important, and this is why you need to go for like a low competition for hashtags that have smaller number of posts. And so what you want to do over here is, let's just click on this one and let's have a look. Okay, this one has quite a lot of engagement. So what you want to do is just to basically check it out, how to be a digital nomad, the money making page. Okay, so I'm basically in make money online niche. So this is directly involving my niche, so I can engage in this post, I can comment on this and all of this stuff. So what we can do is basically just type something like check out the comments over here. Hey guys, the goal is to inspire, and yeah, that's absolutely right, my man. Yeah, it's all good, see, but needs a lot of grinding and all of this stuff. How to hire virtual. You can see they are trying to to promote themselves, but what I like to do is just basically, hey guys, my goal is to inspire people and help them to achieve their goals. You can do support me in my journey on my page. Yeah, this one is not that bad. This one is good at basically is telling that he wants to help to achieve their goals and so on, but I would just change the last part of it so it's not like a really this one sounds a little bit needy. So you just want to stand as an authority, just comment on this. Maybe you can add something to this, that that is something different, so, or that can be a good addition, right? So how to be a digital nomad, read the caption, build a business infographic like mine, earn 5 figures per month, yeah, enjoy. Yeah, so you can just add something to it, like something extra. I don't, nothing comes to my mind at the moment, but you get the idea. And so when it comes to looking for the hashtags, you know, you can go for something that is big like this one and just go into search, and here we have different versions, right? So you can go for something like, you know, business is 66, so obviously we don't want to do that, but business money is just 23,000 and something posts, right? And so that might be a good hashtag for you to go for. Business journey 21,000, not bad at all. Where is it? Something like this is too little. I wouldn't go for anything less than 1,000. Ideally, the best ones which I've experienced are between 2,000 and 5,000. Those hashtags are the best ones in regarding to getting new followers and getting, you know, that engagement and getting the reach to different people. And that's exactly what you want to do with Instagram, especially when you're starting out with Instagram as a new brand new account. And so so this is how you basically get traffic. This is how you get your Instagram and your account to know, and getting, you know, more and more supporters and all of this stuff. You know, you can see it's obviously just like literally just a new account, but it's slowly adding up. And like literally when I post, it's I get likes, I get new followers and all of this stuff using these methods. And you know, getting what you when it comes to the free traffic and getting those followers to your page, then just basically add your affiliate link in your bio and tell them in the post, in the description of the post, link in the bio, right? Let me just see over here. You can see here is my basically a new YouTube video, and here is basically, check it out now, link in the bio. That's it. And that's how you basically get free traffic from Instagram. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get lots of value from it. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate market, if you want to learn more about these strategies, how to get traffic, how to get the sales, how to implement the strategies that will really sell and bring those sales, then I highly encourage you to click the link in the description. It's the first link in the description, and you will get full access to my 4-day free video series where I will teach you more about the strategies, more about affiliate marketing, and you will learn how to implement the strategies that really sell into your affiliate business. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.